Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So I don't know why पापा ने लॉक करके सो गए पापा क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि सब लोग उनको डिस्टर्ब करता है. I cannot shoot यार. I'm feeling very disappointed. I'm done guys. Here is my makeup pouch. A story time video. Yes. I'm not copying anyone, but yeah, I can copy anyone, right? So basically, here in my story time, I don't know where to put this camera. This I have on it background music, but ignore it. So guys, मैं सबसे पहले story यहाँ पे बताने वाली हूँ अपनी एक friend की. Yes, मेरी एक friend है and guess what? Let's assume कि उसका नाम यशी है. So basically, what happened? She just texted me one day in my Instagram DM that she is going through a breakup. It's a hard time, so I texted her like ki babe yaar everything will be okay and you'll be fine and you know your friend from the heartbreak and all everything will be fine and you'll be fine. Okay, I'm doing a minimal makeup as I have said you and with a story time as well. But Yashi she's my friend and she actually is like not one of my closest friend but yeah one of my friend like classmate friend. So basically she just texted me in the DM that she's going through a breakup and blah blah and all, and I never had a breakup because I never had relationship issues, so I don't know how to deal with it, but I kind of supported her, you know, mental supported, moral support. Yeah, you'll be fine, you'll be this, you are so beautiful, you are worth it. But anyway, that does not work, you know. We all know this. Post her girlfriend on like on her story or something like that, and even I was shocked because I mean yeah, I know I consider privacy, like your privacy is a thing, but bro, this privacy this much, like you're posting your best friends but you cannot post your girlfriend, like dude कट रहा है तुम्हारा. तो मैंने उसको यही बोला कि भाई definitely कट रहा है. So what she did was like I did not told her to do, she did it on her own. I'm not taking any blame. Like password of him and then she posted मतलब story of theirs, like the guy and the girl, that my friend, they both had like a selfie and all, and she posted it on his story from his Instagram handle, and the guy did not know anything, like he was not sure of anything like this happened or blah blah, and he was unaware of. मिरर में भी देख के नहीं लगा सकती. I'm not a professional anyway, ना मिरर के लिए ना यहाँ के लिए. Act that I'm a very bad eyeliner वाली, but ठीक है. तो come to the point, I don't know मैं इतनी गंदी क्यों लग रही हूँ, मैंने इतनी पाउडर क्यों लगा. Is back to the story. So she said that she did something like that, and then after 2 hours, after literally 2 hours is what I got to know कि भाई someone has posted a story and like he was getting replies, who is she, and then she checked in his ID one of the reply of a girl that who is she with a question mark, and she was in shock, like because he told that he has already told, you know, to her friends like about her, but how come she did not know? So and she never checked the messages of her and him, like yeah, and she had like early text like 2 or 3 months back last text, and maybe he's talking with her on WhatsApp or something like that. So she just saw, oh I messed up. So she checked and she was shocked that the previous text were like I can like you but let's just do a casual things and blah blah, and how come she did not know, because she is dating him for like 2 years bro, and the texts were of like 2 months back. Because she's a good girl and she just do not check his boyfriend's text and all, that does not mean that boyfriend is not a poor girl. But anyway, so what happened next was very hilarious. She just took the screenshot of the chat and the guy actually changed the Instagram password out of nowhere, and he was so furious of what bro? The girl, they're asking who is she when you should tell every girl who is she. Okay, you could not tell every girl, but at least every girl would have known like who is she, at least like a friend bro. But here he is. A red flag is always a red flag. Girls, don't ever date that someone is a red flag. That is the main question. You would know this, but how? I myself don't know because I have never dated. So here's my lip tint that I use, क्योंकि भाई मैंने natural blush तो किसी ने दिलवाना नहीं है. So it, because part 2 is gonna be fire, because this man is ridiculous. That's my mom, and yeah. So yeah, Hi. I'm saying I'm looking like a kajal. Say hi. Okay, so this is the why she's okay, go. Like she's hyping up me. She's cute. She's awesome. So yeah, these are like my parents. They hype me every time. The way I look, मैं बेकार भी दिखती हूँ and they are like I got like a best daughter ever. So yeah, in academics also. So I'll share the part 2 in my next video. Till then, please be on my channel. Bye cuties, and let's meet for the next story time on my next video. Till then, just be and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.